Hi there and welcome to this small lecture. In this small lecture, I'm going to show you how to add your Facebook pixel to your Shopify store. So the first thing you should be doing is to head to your ad manager and to go to your pixel section. We are going to create a new pixel for our store. So you go in here and you click on create a pixel. You name your pixel, pick any name you find relevant. And below in here you can add your website URL. This is not mandatory. I'm not going to add my website URL. If you want to add yours, it's okay, do it. So, and I'm going to click in here. So my pixel is now being created. I'm going to give it a few seconds. If you are going to install your pixel manually, this is how you do it using these options. But we are not going to do that because Shopify gives us a simpler way to install our pixel in our store. So we just have to close this window and we are going to our Shopify store. Here you go to online store, you click on it, you go to preferences. So we are going back to Facebook and we are going to copy the ID of our pixel and we are going to paste it on Shopify. So this is the ID, the pixel ID. We are going to copy this ID simply by clicking on it and we are going to paste it on Shopify, and this is it. You just have to save now your work and you have installed your pixel on your Shopify store. To make sure that your pixel is well installed on your store, there is a Chrome extension that will help you do that. I'm going to show you how to add this Chrome extension to your browser and how to make sure your pixel is well installed. Stay tuned with me and don't forget to meet me in the